Along a busy road that sliced through the quiet countryside, a unique structure stood, a testament to the vision of FORMKouichi Kimura Architects, the house for a photographer. Its location was deliberate, nestled within an L-shaped plot of land, positioned to gaze across at the serene grove surrounding the village shrine, a place of quiet contemplation. The building itself possessed a stoic presence, clad in mortar and galvanized steel sheets that absorbed and reflected the ambient light with a muted sheen, lending it an air of substantiality. This was not merely a dwelling, it was conceived as a unified realm, a seamless integration of the photographer's professional life and personal space. The client's desire was clear, to dissolve the boundaries between the studio where his artistic visions took form and the environment he called home. In response, the architect crafted a plan that prioritized the resident's holistic way of life, eschewing a conventional segmentation of space based solely on function. The journey into this integrated world began with a subtly lit passage leading from the entrance. This dim approach served as an intentional transition, drawing visitors deeper into the heart of the building, their path illuminated by soft light filtering down from the ceiling of the adjacent gallery. This gallery was more than just a space to display images. Its carefully framed opening acted as a lens, cropping the external landscape into a living exhibition, where the contrasting scales within and the natural light streaming and engaged in a silent dialogue. This space, capable of evoking a sense of quiet wonder amidst the everyday, also doubled as an inherently photogenic backdrop for the photographer's work. Extending from the gallery was a long, slender passage, akin to an alleyway, encouraging a meandering exploration of the space. Yet, this was no mere corridor. Its walls served as an ever-evolving canvas, displaying a curated collection of artworks and photographs. The experience of traversing this passage was carefully orchestrated through shifts in perspective, varying ceiling heights, and the interplay of light and shadow cast by natural sources, creating a captivating visual rhythm. At the building's core lay a central hall, characterized by its split levels, acting as a dynamic nexus connecting the various zones. More than just a circulation point, this hub seamlessly incorporated essential living elements, plumbing fixtures, a counter, and a staircase. Its connection to an approach from the courtyard further enhanced its functionality while offering picturesque views. This central space embodied the architect's intent to weave practicality with aesthetic appeal. The building, while serving as a comfortable residence, possessed an inherent adaptability, its proportions and scale readily transforming it into a fully functional photo studio. High-side windows allowed diffused natural light to flood the interior, creating an ideal environment for capturing images. Throughout this living and working space, photographic equipment, cherished vintage furniture, musical instruments, and diverse artworks found their place, blending harmoniously with the architecture. This was a space that resonated with the photographer's sensibilities, a dynamic backdrop that fostered creativity and fueled new artistic endeavors.